Hello everyone, how you doing today? Hope you're good. Yeah, I'm good. Thanks for asking. In this video, I will be showing you the 5 essential things you need to do after you install WordPress. 5 essential things you need to do after you install WordPress. The number one thing you need to do is set up your front page and your blog pages. You see, after you install WordPress, by default, your blog posts are displayed as a home page on WordPress by default. And a lot of people don't like that. They don't want that. They prefer to have their own page as home page rather than their blog post. Now, for us to set that up, all we have to do is navigate to settings and the admin dashboard on the left side. Navigate to settings and click on reading. So we click on it, and as you can see, reading settings, your home page displays. It can be your latest post and it can be a static page. By default, your latest post is selected by default, but we are going to be selecting a static page. Then in home page, we are going to click on it and we're going to select whatever page we want our home page to be. That's it. The second thing you need to do after WordPress installation is change your site title and tagline. Your site tagline explains what your site is all about in a few words. To set this up, simply head over to settings and navigate to general. Click on general. So you are going to navigate to tagline and put whatever text you want. And after you're done, you scroll down and click on save changes. The second thing I want us to do after installing WordPress is change time zone and date format. Your time zone is very important and it should be properly set because it affects the time that appears when you publish a post. To change this, still on settings, we are going to click on general. Then we are going to select time zone. So we're going to scroll down and as you can see, time zone. So you click on it and you select whatever your time zone, whatever time zone you want, and select your date format. And after you're done, as usual, scroll down and click save changes. The fourth thing I want us to do after installing WordPress is change the permalinks. The default naming of your WordPress blog post URL is not friendly at all. Not friendly. You see, the default naming of WordPress URLs will be something like www.yourdomain.com P444, something like that. So you can change it to the one you want. You can change it to the one because permalink are very, very important. And also, please, a quick tip here: don't change the permalink for an already published post, because it can lead to a 404 error in Google. So there are 2 ways to set up your permalinks, but let's just go for the usual one. So to set up our permalinks, still on settings, we are going to navigate to permalinks. You click on permalinks. And click on post name because that's the one that is better. So it will be www.yourdomainname.com/whatever the name of your post is. Whatever the name of, as you can see, whatever the name of your post is, as you can see, your domain name, then sample-post. And after you're done, you click on save changes. And finally, the last thing I want us to do after installing WordPress is for you to delete sample content. When you first set up your WordPress site, you find a sample post and a page. Before you start adding content to your site or blog, you want to delete these sample pages. To delete sample content, all you have to do is go to the posts, click on posts, then navigate to whatever post you want to delete. You can navigate to any post you want to delete and click on. So let's say we click on this, then bulk actions, we can click on it, then we can click move to trash. If for example, let's say you want to delete this post right here, or you can over onto the post, then go down and click on this trash option right here, and it will delete your post. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please, if you like this video, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. I post WordPress videos every single day. I don't skip. Okay, I don't skip. So please subscribe to my channel and see you soon. If you have any question, please leave it below. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate it. If you found this video useful or helpful, or if you just like the video, just thank you very much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. If you found this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. I post video every single day about WordPress, which I'm sure. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate it. If you found this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. I post video every single day about WordPress. I don't skip. Peace out.